Hello everybody, this is another beautiful day in United States and this will be my first tech video on my YouTube channel so far. So we'll be unboxing iPhone 11. So yeah, let's get started. Yeah, I don't have any professional cutter or something like that, so I'm using knife. Woohoo! So far FedEx has done an absolutely nice job in terms of packaging. Okay. And there it is. We'll keep this aside, and this is iPhone 11. So yeah, it's 28 GB internal and 4 GB RAM, I believe. And so far it is green color, which is on trending most of the times for now. And so yeah, let's unbox this phone. So iPhone has done pretty insane job in opening this box. They have done it like, let's pull it out. That is so simple. I like the voice which it makes, and it's pretty simple. Wow. And the first look you get is the phone. It's as simple. And yeah, so we'll keep this is how phone looks. So we'll keep this aside, and what we have is designed by California Apple. Some information about phone, and what we get is the headphones with those, which is pretty nice. And yeah, what disappoints me is the charger. It's pretty old garbage 5-volt charger output with the lightning cable USB pretty much built up. So yeah, that's it for now, and I'll start up my phone. There will be a footage coming out of this phone after the end of this video. You'll get to know it, and we'll start up how it works. So far you get in this is the information about how to use the phone and some basic information, some stickers if you want to put it on somewhere, SIM injector tool which helps you to know how it works. There will be a lot of videos out on YouTube about the phone. So far I don't have to tell in much detail. Well, the most important, what people are thinking about the camera output is like it shoots in 4K, super smooth slow motion. What it got new in this is a selfie slow motion, so which is pretty much on training. So we'll try it out. We'll get some footage on this. Well, so far thank you very much for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next. So for this, link in the description box below. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला है. The phone is not sponsored to me. खुद के मेहनत से phone लिया है. दर्द होता है अभी भी. So far, yeah. Thank you very much for watching this video. We'll see you guys in next.